Welcome to this grounding practice designed to support you in your journey of inner work. Whether you're diving into shadow work, processing emotions, or reconnecting with your authentic self, grounding is an essential first step. It creates a safe and stable foundation for exploring the deeper layers of your being. So find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and let's begin. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment at the top and then slowly release it through your mouth. Repeat this breath a few more times, allowing each inhale to bring in all the light that your inner guides have to offer, and each exhale to release the tension from your body. Feel your body begin to settle into the present moment. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just a few more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, big deep breath, filling your lungs, filling your belly, softening the space behind your heart. Now exhale, let it all out. Completely empty your lungs. Now bring your attention to your feet. If they're on the floor, imagine them sinking deeply into the earth. If you are lying down, picture your body gently connecting with the ground beneath you. Feel the support of the earth holding you safely. Visualize roots from the soles of your feet extending deep into the earth. These roots are strong, grounding you to the steady, unshakable energy of the planet. Imagine these roots reaching deeper with each breath, anchoring you into the earth's core. Feel the energy of the earth rising through your roots, bringing stability and calmness into your body. With each inhale, draw up this grounding energy, allowing it to fill your legs, your torso, your arms, and finally your head. With each exhale, release any tension, fear, or resistance into the earth where it can be transformed. Now that you're grounded, turn your awareness inward. Imagine a warm, glowing light in the center of your chest, your heart space. This light represents your true essence, your inner strength, and your infinite capacity for love and healing. With each breath, allow this light to grow brighter and expand, filling your entire chest. Feel its warmth and safety radiating outward, creating a protective cocoon of light around you. This is your safe inner space, a sanctuary where you can explore your thoughts, emotions, and shadows without fear or judgment. As you rest in this cocoon of light, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am safe to explore all parts of myself. I welcome curiosity and compassion into my journey. I am whole, even in the presence of my shadows. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. I am safe to explore all parts of myself. I welcome curiosity and compassion into my journey. even in the presence of my shadows. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. I release fear and embrace love. I am capable of deep transformation and healing. Every part of me deserves acceptance and understanding. I honor the light and the shadow within me. I choose growth over comfort and healing over avoidance. I am grounded, supported, and deeply connected to my truth. My inner work is a gift to myself and the world. I am enough exactly as I am. I am always evolving. Allow these affirmations to settle into your being, letting their truth resonate within you. Know that you came here with everything that you need to live a full, abundant, and peaceful life. Trust that your inner guidance knows how to lead you to all the places that your soul desires to be. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the grounded energy of the earth still holding you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently thank yourself for taking this time to ground and connect. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this sense of calm and stability with you as you move forward in your day. Thank you for joining me in this grounding exercise. Remember, grounding is always available to you as a tool whenever you need to create stability, safety, and presence during your inner work. Take this calm, steady energy with you and trust in your ability to navigate your journey with grace and courage.